Frequency news. Frequency news. Anyone use this frequency? CQ, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, CQDX. Listening and standby. CQ, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, CQDX. CQ, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, calling CQDX. CQDX, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, CQDX.
Victor Kilo 2, Charlie Zulu, VK2CZ.
VK2, Charlie Zulu, QSA?
Roger QSL, name is David and you're 5 and 9 plus here in Sydney. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Victor Kilo 2, Charlie Zulu, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. You also 5-9, sometime 210 dB to is Jakarta, Indonesia. Nice to meet you, David. Introduce, my name is Fayyas. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha, Sierra. Back to you.
QSL Fayyas, name here is David and located in Sydney. And yeah, excellent signal. S9 20/9 across very good signal. Anyway, pleased to work you and fine on Jakarta. And yeah, trust you're having a good day. Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Victor Kilo 2, Charlie Zulu.
Roger, thank you, David. Victor Kilo 2, Charlie Zulu, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Good to begin. I have begun contacting KSO again with another band, my friend, because your signal is very strong to Jakarta. Okay, 73, bye-bye.
73, bye-bye, 73.
Okay, thank you. QRZ, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar Japan America, calling CQDX.
Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, 466.
Again, my friend.
Michael, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, portable VK6.
Oh, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, portable VK6. Thank you, my friend, for repeating your call sign. You are 5 and 7, sometimes to 5 and 9, but your signal is up and down. Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Back to you.
Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango. Thanks very much for the 5-7 report. You are 5 and 9, 59 is your report. My name Tony, my name C Tango O Oscar in November Y Yankee, and I'm operating 200 kilometres south of Broome on the Indian Ocean coast. Over.
Roger, nice to meet you, Tony. And your equipment is very good. You are running 300 watt. You use this now in portable. Oh, and this now I see your QRZ.com. Your equipment is very good, my friend. You have a good collective radio or something like a tuner, MFG, and then linear amplifier. Way, you make me jealously, Tony. Okay, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Introduce, my name is Fayyas, Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. And this now I'm running 100 whiskey because I'm using Yeso Fox Tango 80 Charlie. And antenna single element delta loop about height 7 meter from the ground. Tony, how do you copy my English? Because I'm trying to learning about English. I hope you understand about my talking, Tony. Back to you.
Okay, I did miss the name. You were a little bit quick on the name for me, unfortunately. Yankee Charlie 0 Sierra Julia Delta Victor Kilo 3 Charlie Alpha Tango Portable 6. You're still coming in 5 and 9, peaking 5 and 9. The station you see is my home station. I'm just running 100 watts, and the radio is a Kodan spelled Charlie Oscar Delta Alpha November. It's a commercial radio fitted inside our Toyota Land Cruiser. So it's running 100 watts, 100 watts, and an open wire fed wire antenna off a fiberglass pole here on the 80-mile beach south of Broome. Over.
Roger, Tony. And this now, your signal is down to 3 and 5, because you're running 100 whiskey. But your audio is very nice, very clearly, my friend. Only signal is down to 3 and 5. Okay, Tony. I hope you got your portable, because this day is very clearly in Jakarta. Good to the to Australia or to New Zealand in this now, because I hope I get to station number radio from Australia, one to New Zealand, my friend. Okay, Danny, have a good weekend, good day. Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha 7, 3, bye-bye.
Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango, Portable 6. Well, thank you for receiving my very basic station here. You have a great day, excellent signal here, zero noise level. 73 is good CX, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Victor Kilo 3, Charlie Alpha Tango. Cheers.
Okay, thank you, Tony. Have a good traveling. QR Jet, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Yankee Charlie 0. So go Japan, America, calling Security X, listening and standby.
Victor Kilo 6, Zulu Charlie Victoria.
Victor Kilo 6, Charlie Zulu Victoria, QSL.
Yeah, Victor Kilo 6, Zulu Charlie Victoria, over.
Oh, Roger, thank you, my friend, for repeating your call sign. Victor Kilo 6, Zulu Charlie Victoria, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. You have 5 and 7, my friend. 5 and 7 to East Jakarta, Indonesia. Introduce, my name is Fayyas. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. Victor Kilo 6, Zulu Charlie Victoria, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Back to you.
QSL, just give me your call again. Give me your call sign again. Over.
Roger, my call sign, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar Japan America, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar Japan America, USA?
Yeah, QSL. America, VK6ZCV. Yeah, thanks for the time. Good luck. Good BS. Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you, my friend. You're 5 and 7. I hope we can contacting case again with a good propagation because the signal is the up and down in this now. Victor Kilo 6, Zulu Charlie Victoria, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha 73. Bye bye.
73.
QR Jet, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar Japan America, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar Japan America, calling security listening and standby.